Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do some easy lock styles that I found on Pinterest, so just stay tuned.
Good morning. Time to get up. These glasses, jacket, and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up.
Okay, so most of these styles don't necessarily require a retwist, but the first style I'm gonna do, the lady, the sister who did this style, she actually had a retwist. But I'm gonna do it without a retwist because I've done this style before, and most of the time y'all know I don't be having a fresh retwist. So make sure you spray your hair with some water because you don't want to do nothing on the dry hair. Work on it. So first thing you're gonna want to do is put your hair down the middle like that. Oh Lord. So for this style, I made sure that I have my two little wrappers. And I'll split my hair. But you know what? For this style, what you could do is get like some gel or some edge control to help slick down. I kind of see why she did it when she had a fresh retwist, because you don't have to worry about like slicking it down if you want to sleep lick or anything. And it does make sense why she did it when she had a retwist. But also, if you don't want to use the wrappers, I would suggest using bobby pins to secure it. So what you're going to do is do a twist like I just did, and then you're going to secure it. I'm going to try securing it with these wrappers, even though I think it would be better if you secure it with a bobby pin. But, you know. Oops. Hold on. Yes. It would be better with the bobby pin. Oh, I got my bobby pins. I need to buy some more because y'all know they just go missing. But I'm going to secure down the locks that are on top. Not every single lock that's in the twist. Let's see, can you see it? See? I hope you can see it. I can't see what you can see, but here it is. And I just secured the lock on top. Boom. That's one side done. Okay, I'm getting somewhere. Now I'm about to spray this side. Make sure you don't grab the lock on the side because that's going to be used as the bang. I'm going to get to that. And slip down just a little. And twist. There you go. Throw that last little lock over on top. And secure it like that. And I'm just going to put the bobby pin in. This one might need more than one because the other bobby pin I used was big. Okay. Now I'm going to squirt a little water on here. These are using for bangs. And I'm just going to retwist that a little bit. Really ain't no point. The water didn't do nothing. Water didn't do nothing for me. Okay, let's see. Alright. And that is, throw it up here some. Style number one. Actually kind of like it. I've done this before, but usually I'll throw some edge control or something on. I might do it. Hold on. My edge control brush is clean. I clean it after every time I use it. Like that. And I'm gonna throw some of these edges out some so I can. Oh, this is the edge control I'm using. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus and Flaxseed Edge Gel. Alright, so like I said, it's style number one. I did my edges a little bit. And boom. I actually like it. Style number one, style number two coming up next. This next style is still going to require a middle part. So I'm going to try this out. This is going to be my first time doing this style, like for real. Let me see. I'm still going to leave this little lock out on the side. I love leaving them locks out. I don't like putting too much tension on them if I can avoid it. But this style is very new for me. Okay. I don't know how this is going to work. Trying to get my bun right. I'm having fun. I'm having so much fun doing these space buns. Okay, let me just do it all the way. And then try to wrap it around. Ooh. Yeah, that's how you know I'm not used to doing buns on my locks, like for real. Like, you can tell. It's obvious. Very obvious. Okay, that's not too bad. I had fun doing this. So this is the second style. It's the space buns at the top. I don't think she left her bangs out. I can't, I don't have to look. But I left mine out because I always really these two locks out because I don't like putting too much tension on them. But y'all, I'm having so much fun trying these styles. Like, this is really like making my mood just on 10 right now. Like, I'm so happy. Like, I don't know. It just makes me really happy right now. Like, you go back. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. I'm gonna have to run this little video back. I'm having fun. Next style is really good to do if you work in an office setting. It's really fun. I've done it before. This time I am gonna use this. But pretty much what you're gonna do is, well, you can leave this one out because she does have a bang. But yeah. So pretty much you're gonna grab some hair on the side. And do your twist. It's kind of almost like, you know, the style I did, the first style I did. I guess, yeah, that was the first one with the 2 twists. It's almost like that. So this one, you're just going to do 1 twist. And I'm going to use, once you twist it, make sure you pin it so it can stay. I'm going to use my big, oh yeah, I'm going to nail shoddy weed. Don't judge me. Okay. That was a quick, that was the easiest style I did so far. See? Twist on the side. And you just leave your hair out right there. Leave a little bang bang. That was fun. See, I do this one kind of often, so this is a norm for me. But there you go. Style number 3. In my last style, because I'm going to do another video with this. If y'all want another video of me doing these styles, just let me know. But anywho, this particular style, I actually like it, but I couldn't tell if it was a ponytail or it was a messy bun, so I'm just going to do it as a ponytail because it's hard for me to get my hair in a bun, especially when I put all my hair up. So I am going to do it as a ponytail. And usually when I do my ponytail, I slick my stuff down with a scarf or something before I leave out the house. But, well, I didn't do it last week. And she had, what, 3 pieces out? I'm gonna leave 3. 1, 2, 3 pieces out. I might end up leaving out more. I'll leave out them. I was gonna leave out my 3 biggest ones, but I can't always find them. Okay, so when I do my ponytail, I put my hair in little by little. It's hard for me to get out of my hair in at one time, unless I just throw my head down and do it like I used to do my makeup puffs when I had loose natural hair. I can do it easier that way, but that don't always work either. But this style, ooh, okay. Keep forgetting my locks are longer now. Okay. Oh snap! Y'all, I remember the days I couldn't even get a ponytail. But here it is, my ponytail with my little 3 baggy bangs at the back. That's the ponytail, that's the 3 baggy bangs. Okay, I'm so glad I can do like good ponytails now before the summer hit, cause baby, a nice little ponytail with some gold hoops and a gold necklace and a white shirt on with some shorts. Listen, baby, gonna hit every time doing the summer. But anyway, look at that, look at that, look at that. That's my last style. All right, y'all. So that was it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so you can know every time your girl, the Curl Maverick, uploads a new video. And if you have any more style ideas, just hit me up on Instagram or just, you know, yeah, pretty much Instagram, send me pictures and stuff like that, or either contact me on Pinterest. You can message people on Pinterest, contact me that way. And also, if y'all want a part 2 of doing different styles, just let me know and put them down in the comments. All right, I'm gonna holler at y'all later.